two of practice. First day didn't go too well. We struggled a little bit, but we're gonna try to go make it happen. We got a lot of bites, but no big ones, so here we go. Oh, yeah.
You know what, Mr. Parker? Hey. Hello, welcome to Vegas.
I did not want to fish any heavy current related fish because I knew that they were hit and miss, and the weights of teams doing that showed that to be true. At the beginning of both days of practice, we fished shallow for the most part, and we weren't able to catch any big females, and later in the day, we would move off the bank and find some of these staging areas that these females were sitting in. We covered a lot of water in practice, scanning and fishing, and we ended up getting a milk run of some spots that we would hit throughout the day and catch some bonus fish, and then use some of that offshore grass and some of those hard spots to grind on or catch a big one. This fish catch was pretty cool because it got wrapped around the power pole and we got super lucky to land it. But it ended up being a 3.7 pound fish to finish out our bag.
the whole tournament right now. David Samuel with over 23 pounds. That's a good bag too here. 1581, 1581.
All good. Boat number?
Drury University, Brock and Jack. We'll weigh a big bass here in just a minute. You're gonna need 23.39 to take the overall lead. Not gonna do that. Put you in second overall, 21.50, 21.50. That's gonna threaten for it. It's gotta be a little over 6.5 pounds. 634, 634 on that big fish.
We ended up 4th place after day 1, so we knew that we were going to need about 23 to 25 pounds to have a chance at winning, or at least 20 pounds to keep up our 4th place in order to get a top 5 finish.
Texas Tech, Ryan, Randy. 62, Kendra University, Hartwell. Good luck. Thank you.
See out of it.
The second day was super tough for us with the conditions that we were given, but we knew where the fish that we needed were, so we ended up grinding on the 2 areas, and throughout the day we checked on other fish and just kind of poked around to see what was going on. After we caught this fish, our confidence was way up, so we knew that we just needed to grind on this area in particular right here. And we ended up fishing this for the last 3 hours of the day, and that's where we caught the majority of our weight. And most of the fish catches were actually from the backpack from Jack, and we didn't get anything on film.
It came out, can't you? There we go.
All right.
That's a nice fish there.
Looking over somewhere out there and Coach Carr making it pop.
Stuff like that.
Missouri State University, Kirk and Cole. Got 12 pounds yesterday, 5 fish today.
Top fish?
Here we go. We're going to read this weight real quick. Locks in at 1171. Take those out. We'll let the cat out of the bag a little bit after the tournament's over. We watched y'all fish for about 16 hours the last 2 days right out here. What's it take for y'all to just sit in the same place and not run all over the lake?
Just to know that there's fish there, man.
Drury University, Brock and Jack. Had 2150 yesterday. Gonna need 1750 to take the lead. What do y'all think, guys? You can have it? Let's see. It is close, but you've got it. 1865. 2-day total, 40-15. Take those out, hold them up right here behind the stage and get a picture, guys. That's your new leaders from Drury University. They are ranked top 20 in the Bass Pro Shop School of the Year presented by Abu Garcia. So a good finish there is going to go a long ways for them. All right, hold them up, guys. There's your new leaders right there at Drury University, Brock and Jack. 2-day total of 40-15. All right, I got to look at a tail on one of those fish. It looks like it was a little bloody. How were y'all fishing? It looked like one of those might have been spawned out.
Yeah, so we were fishing an area. Where there's pre-spawners and post-spawners. They're going both ways. There's two areas, but they're both pretty much the same, fishing grass flats, basically looking for the hard spots within them, and that's where we get those bigger bites every time.
A little drop off today. Did y'all have a big fish yesterday that made the difference? Or
We just had those. We had 2 2.5 pounders, and yesterday we had those 3.5 and 4 pounders to fill in. So
good weekend for y'all, man. Hang around. That's your new leaders.
Together right in the middle. All right, stand by.
Awesome job, guys.